divisibility rule for number 9. The rule is check if the sum of all the digits in the given number is a multiple of 9. Let's understand better with these examples. First one, 17,154. Adding up the digits, we get 18, which is a multiple of 9. Hence, the given number is divisible by 9. Next example, 1672. 1 plus 6 plus 7 plus 2 is 16, which is not a multiple of 9. So that means the given number is not divisible by 9. Next, divisibility rule for number 10. This is the most simple. The last digit has to be 0 for a number to be divisible by 10. So, in these examples, the first one has an ending digit of 0 and hence it is divisible by 10. But in the second example, the last digit is not a 0, which means it cannot be divisible by 10. Next, we'll move on to divisibility rule for number 11. Here, we'll be adding the alternate digits in the given number. Then, find out the difference between the two sums. If the result is a multiple of 11, then the original number is divisible by 11. Let's understand further with these two examples. First example, 45,408. First, let us add these digits. 4 plus 4 plus 8, 16. Then, let us add the remaining digits 5 and 0. We get 5. Now, we have to find the difference. 16 minus 5 is 11, which is a multiple of 11, and hence the given number is divisible by 11. Next example, 12,825. So let's add the alternate digits. 1 plus 8 plus 5 is 14. 2 plus 2 is 4. The difference 14 minus 4 is 10, which cannot be a multiple of 11. Hence, we can say that the given number is not divisible by 11. Now, there are two numbers given here. Only one among them is divisible by 11. Pause the video here. Find out which is that number and let me know in the comments. Finally, we have divisibility rule for number 12. If the given number is divisible by both 3 and 4, then it is divisible by 12. So let's check out with these two examples. First one, 53,136. To find out if it is divisible by 3, let us add up all the digits. We get 18, which is a multiple of 3. So, this number is divisible by 3. We also have to check if it is divisible by 4. For that, let us pick out the last two digits. 36 is a multiple of 4 and hence this number is divisible by 4. Now, since the divisibility by 3 and 4 are possible, we can conclude that this number is divisible by 12. Next example, 4,242. First, let's check divisibility by 3. Adding up the digits, we get 12. So the number is divisible by 3. Now, let's also check if it is divisible by 4. The last two digits, 42, is not a multiple of 4 and hence this number is not divisible by 4, and that further means that it is also not divisible by 12.